Hi, my name is Danielle Savre. Welcome to my temporary sweet digs. Temporary, because I live quite the gypsy lifestyle. But before you come in, subscribe below. Come on in. So this is my 3-bedroom house. I rent it with 2 other girls. I pay $1,700 and the other 2 pay $1,400 and $1,100. I think that's perfect for Los Angeles. I think the fact that we have a house actually makes it very reasonable that it's priced at that. I am an actress and I am currently filming the Grey's Anatomy spinoff Station 19. That takes up all of my time right now. That's why, even though this is my house and I love it so much, most of my time is spent sleeping. I actually found this space while searching on Airbnb. It was furnished, it had all the big pieces. So then by the time we got here, we're like, okay, well now let's just make it feel like home. First thing to do was coffee table books, blankets, and candles. Those are like my 3 go-tos, I would say. In my communal area, I love to smell baked goods. So right now I have an angel food and an oatmeal cookie candle burning, and it just smells so good when you walk in. And this is Melissa's bedroom. Me and Melissa lived in New York. We slept in the same bed for the 3 months we were there. And it was very interesting. We constantly argued about the air conditioner temperature. But beyond that, we had a great time, and we just knew after that we were gonna be friends for life. She's not here right now. She's the messy one. She is perfect in any other way. She keeps her mess just to her room, which is nice. Thank you, Melissa. We're gonna walk into a Jack and Jill bathroom that both Amanda and Melissa share. I got them a candle for it, and they've yet to light it. Let's see if I can remember. Peony. That's not how you say that word, is it? Now, through this door is Amanda's bedroom. Come on. Amanda's here about 3 to 4 days out of the week. She's actually going to school to be a physical therapist, and she actually, on days that she's not here, lives with her fiance in Ventura. Do you want to see me turn this couch into a bed? Okay, here we go. And there you go. It's like a queen-size bed. The worst part of this apartment is the fact that I have to walk through Amanda's room to get to my room. I try to be as quiet as possible, and luckily she is a very deep sleeper, so it seems to have worked out very well so far. And here is my bedroom. To make it my own, I filled it with nice comfy blankets. I actually think that we have about 15 of these kind of blankets throughout the entire house. Over to the right, I have a letter from the director, David Nutter. Unfortunately, I didn't get a job that he was directing, but he wanted to let me know that it wasn't the last time he was gonna be seeing me and to never give up. It's a nice reminder that I've got a huge supporter out there, even though I don't know if I hope he remembers me. Hey, David. Over here is one of my favorite places in the house. Come into my bathroom. It's like walking into heaven, and it smells so good. It smells like roses. I wish you guys could smell it right now. I do like bathrooms to smell more floral. Oh my God, I almost said fluorescent. That's the light. I love steaming up the room when I shower. It's kind of my thing. Some people hate that, specifically my boyfriend. I just keep all of my face products right here. I actually zap my face with a high frequency machine, and it kills all bacteria. Okay, on to the communal dining room area. I've got to walk back through Amanda's room to get to the dining room. And here we are in the communal space. My favorite room in the house where all the fun and laughs happen. Over here, a small selection of my coffee table books. I do have a coffee table book. I do have a slight coffee table book obsession. So these are a couple of them. I will eat dinner here, and then I'll get some work done. When it starts to get really cold at night, we turn the heater on, I bundle up with some blankets. I can do everything that I want to do right here. Over here, we go to the kitchen with tons of counter space, which I love when I get the chance to cook. So my love for chocolate is quite intense. I think while we've been filming this today, I've already eaten like 6 pieces. Oh, I want one so bad right now. I'm gonna have one. Do you guys want one? Oh my God, so good. The most expensive thing in my kitchen is actually my Ninja. It's roughly around 200 bucks. The Ninja is extremely important because I make my bulletproof coffee in it. We also make some great smoothies in it. By the way, no one's paying me to say this. I just love the blender that much. I am definitely the mom in this house. I like things to be tidy and neat, sometimes to a fault, but I do have a junk drawer. Oh my God, I've been looking for this. What's that called? Like it tells you how drunk you are? Breathalyzer! I'm not drunk. Goodbye, junk drawer. Goodbye. And over here is the washer and dryer with our lovely little sloth. I think he is so adorable. But Melissa now thinks he's starting to get a little creepy. But now there's a debate. Do you think he's creepy or not? Let me know in the comments below. I've been acting since I was 7 years old. I loved being a bubbly, hyper kid that played dress up. And then at 15, I graduated high school and made this my career. On Station 19, I play Maya Bishop. The show revolves around a firehouse called Station 19. My own sister, in real life, is an LAFD firefighter. My character, Maya, drives a lot of the trucks and the engines and stuff. Well, obviously, I, Danielle, do not know how to do that. And so my sister comes on those days and she'll drive them, and she looks so much like me that they're able to use that footage and pretend that it is me. And I get to see her a lot, which is nice. I've had to learn over the years to really find ways of how to make a place feel like home within a short period of time. What I'm really proud of and happy of is that I was able to make this home in Los Angeles my home away from home, specifically too because I'm finally able to live with two of my best friends. When we do get to sit around this table and catch up and laugh and have a glass of wine and eat chocolate, it couldn't be better than that. Thank you so much for watching my sweet digs. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.